Hi traders, I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the dark point indicator for both MT4 and MT5. All right. In the description below, you're going to find the link to download both the MT4 and the MT5 versions. After you have done that, you need to head over to your indicators folder and you paste the indicator file in the folder. After that, you need to head back to your navigator and refresh the navigator. Okay, having done that, you should find the dark point indicator somewhere. Drag and drop. Your allow DLL imports box should be checked. And then for your inputs, you can find the customizable settings here, the colors, the values for all these, the period factor, and so on. Okay, so this is how the dark point indicator looks like. All right, now it helps you highlight key turning points and momentum shifts directly on your chart, right? Helping you to spot potential reversals, trend transitions and all of that, right? You will notice that the indicator gives you buy signals and sell signals, and it also predicts possible take profit levels and stop loss levels. For example, you can see here there was a buy signal, right? And then this was the SL1, SL2. Okay, this was TP1, TP2, and TP3. Right now, for you can see this is another example. There was a sell signal. You can see this was SL1, SL2, TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, and currently you can see a buy signal has been given, and this is SL1, SL2. And this is TP1, TP2, TP3. So this indicator gives signals. And according to the information here, well, the information says that the total signals were 33, the total wins 20, and the hit rate was 62.5%. Well, I don't really know exactly how accurate that is, but that is what the indicator is saying. You might want to try it out on a demo account and see if it is actually this accurate. All right. And if it is, you can, test it extensively on demo account, and then if it meets your expectations, you can decide to try it out on a live account. All right, but make sure you first of all test it on a demo account. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications, okay, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. All right, so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content that is being posted on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.